guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how to make AGBELI KAAKLO. So guys, it's easy making this. Let's get started. So you need your cassava. I'm using about 800 grams of cassava. Divide it, peel it and divide it into two. So the only thing you're going to take out is the core. Take out the core, wash it and shred it, just like how I'm doing here. So this is what you're looking for. Continue with the rest until you are done, or depending on the quantity of your cassava. After, shred about 40 grams of onion, mix it together. Make sure you mix it well, and then you're gonna need a strainer for it, because you're going to strain about 80% of the liquid out. But if you want yours very hard, you can strain all the water out from the cassava. So this is what I got. It wasn't that hard. Add in salt and make sure you mix it well. Chopped onion, and I use green chili pepper, but that one is also optional. So mix it well. If you don't mix it well, the salt will stuck at one place and you are not going to enjoy it. So make sure you mix it well. When done, bring some of the dough and roll it into a ball shape, just like so. Just as I'm doing here. At this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oil, because we're going to fry those bad boys, guys. So this is one of the famous Ghanaian snack. If you have come across this, it's very nice and it's delicious. So preheat your oil and deep fry these bad boys, guys. You're gonna keep turning it until it's ready. So when you get to this point, it's not good, it's still cooking. Put it in and let it cook until you get to slight golden brown like this, and guys, your AGBELI KAAKLO is ready. Just look at how beautiful it is, guys. Just look at it. It's very delicious. Wow, just look at it. So I'll go ahead and divide it. Since I didn't squeeze all the liquid from it, it's crunchy outside and it's soft inside. Just look at it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. And guys, this is enjoyed with cassava, with coconut. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.